We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright.
Need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away? I need to give myself some rest. Can you heal my curse? Can you take my mind away?
Stuck on the 6 speed inside the bubble, never travel out to a new scene. So that brings them motherfuckers in loose jeans. And now we got you stuck inside of the crossroad. I actually respect that you ain't never want more things, just two things. Always tie your shoes when they're loosening. Never go outside and catch a drip, because one breeze can make it grow. Always inside of this loophole. I'm here for you. I'm here for you, here for you. But that ain't gonna kill for you. Left it all behind, right up on the hill with you. Now it's karma time, got the newest curse issue. Now it all makes sense, you prefer to blame me, so your rep won't drop and blend with the lower class and broken ends. Newsflash, you're what we call a broken trend.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain, with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain, when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too